that I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to be, and now I think the answer is plain to see. I wanna be famous. I wanna live close to the sun. Oh, pack your bags, cause I've already won. Everything to prove, nothing in my way. I'll get there one day. Cause I wanna be famous. Na 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 na. I wanna be famous. I wanna be
Alright, so final three, me and Breane and Ryan. I'm pretty fine if I end up losing now.
Soccer or basketball?
Soccer! Oh God!
Breane, what do you
Oh
want?
God!
Can't just
Soccer.
soccer. Ryan, your vote doesn't matter, but soccer or basketball?
Basketball.
Okay, well they both voted soccer. We could do a 1v1 for each person.
Okay.
All right, let's video you getting hurt. Ready to get hurt?
Want to step up?
I don't think she is.
Why is everybody videoing me?
Because we want to see you get hurt.
I know she's
Just trying to get some meat.
just going to abandon ship. Like you do it. Exactly.
Cameo appearance. All right, shoot. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Oh my... Someone get a soccer ball. You rather play basketball now?
Yeah.
Let me see. Ryan.
I didn't make it to the final.
It's a vote. Ryan, basketball or soccer?
Soccer.
Okay, man, everyone wants soccer. Where the heck is Nathan? Oh my god, okay, so we got everyone. Okay, Nathan, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Breane, Nathan, Ryan. Nathan is right there. What are you talking about? All right, guys, peeping on Nathan. I'm not. Peeping on Nathan, guys.
He's right there. Nathan!
This is funny. Nathan, soccer. We got the lights to work. Soccer! 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 Soccer!
So who do we pick who plays first? Because it has to be 2 versus 1. I won the last game, so can I decide?
I will actually let you decide, Breane. It's 1v1, so.
I want them to go first.
You want them to go first? Cool.
No, because if you play hard and you guys play, whoever wins.
Here, we'll
plays
just
me,
figure it
right?
out. We'll just figure it out. Yeah, whoever wins will play
whoever
Breane.
wins plays me. And then whoever wins out of that game wins. That seems fair to me. How do I tell who gets the ball first? So basically we're playing 3 rounds. Okay. Gonna start with Ryan having the ball. Ryan's gonna pass it to Nathan, and then Nathan has to try to score.
Ryan, so just kick it to her and then start. First person to score wins this round. Best of 3.
So what happened?
Oh, it's out. It's out. Who kicked it out?
Where do we start from?
Just go. I'll throw it in. Out again.
I get it, I guess. Wait, let me keep it still. That's not fair.
Oh, Nathan scored.
Stop and then start. You can't do that.
Oh, it's fair. We're loving soccer.
Okay, no. Nathan passed it to Ryan.
Oh, we didn't. No, we did this on my birthday.
Okay, go Ryan. Go Ryan. Just come out.
Oh, that's. Oh, Nathan wins. All right, Nathan versus Breane finale. What is your strategy here? I think you guys are.
We just want to make sure Ryan doesn't win.
You guys are gonna vote Ryan out?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Nathan got it. All right. Who started with it? Breane? Nathan did? Okay, Breane, you start with it and hit it to him now. Was that in? No, I think Nathan just wins. Nathan wins.
So he has immunity. Let's go.
All right, let's go inside and vote. Let's do some. I want to get an interview from all of you. 'Cause
I know.
This is the last vote. This is the last vote.
So when I got into this,
Your hair is a mess, man.
oh yeah,
You got like
I got
freaking.
second to last time, and I'm in the final 2, guaranteed.
So here, I'll give it to you now.
Because
your
my
trophy.
thought process is,
So you are pretty much the decider because they have to vote each other.
but Breane has been my ally this whole game, but she's also really good at the last challenge. I'm pretty sure.
That's right.
Like horse jumping, she's pretty strong and athletic. I don't know how I'm gonna vote. I guess you'll see.
He better remember who he has to live with for the rest of his life.
You at all worried about this?
Not really.
No?
No, because who's driving him home? Me. I can just like throw him into a bush or something. I'm just gonna have to remind him that Ryan would kick his ass in jumping because that's like her favorite thing on earth. So I think after that, it'd be good.
I tricked Nathan into thinking that Bree's a more athletic person and that she's definitely gonna win. So
You just tricked him?
Okay, he tricked himself. I just went along like, oh yeah, definitely, that's a really good reasoning because now he's gonna vote Bree and not me.
Do you
So-
think that you have a better chance of beating him than Bree?
Yes,
You think that you can win if you win this?
yes, I do.
All right.
I have
That's
confidence.
interesting.
I think I'm really hoping he just votes Bree because I really want to do. I don't care. I just really want to do the horse jumping part. And actually, I do want to win.
It's more than just horse jumping. I will have you know.
Okay,
I'm
that's
not
fine.
going to say anything else, but it is a tough challenge. Yeah.
All right, I'm up for it.
Everyone vote for who you would like to vote for. And then my hat is open. Okay? Whenever you've voted, hand it to me.
Why is this mug so
Hand it in. All right. Let's read out these votes. Everyone sit down. All right. First vote, Bree.
No way.
Second vote, Ryan. That's 2 votes.
No way.
Or 1 vote for Bree. 1 vote for Ryan.
That's the first vote I've gotten all game.
And the one who will be leading us will not participate in the final challenge and will not be able to take this invincibility thing is going to be Ryan.
Thanks.
Sorry, Ryan.
Gang, gang.
Ryan,
The deciding thing was that I do really managed to convince you that you would be better on the horse jumping.
Not me, because I don't jump. I don't do that.
You told me that you thought
I
Breanne
know,
would
I
be
thought
better.
you were. I thought she was, but after the logic, you're also a horse girl, so I thought you were.
You were very enthusiastic about the horse jump. Final challenge is going to be the amazing race. So, the amazing race will start at the council table out there. You will go to the jump field. You have to jump any 6 jumps. The second challenge is you have to shoot a Nerf gun to hit something. And then once you've done that, you have to go and shoot a basket from anywhere on the court. You just have to shoot a basket. And then after that, do you know what a midget race is?
No.
No? Yes, underneath. Okay.
What?
Midget
Well,
race.
do we have to really do that? Can I just like squat?
Yeah, how good is this?
Can I just
Yeah,
like?
you can squat.
Squat would hurt
This
more.
is midget. This is midget. But you can't like do that.
Okay, I do this like.
As long as you do that.
Yeah. I got you.
I'll run you through it like this.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
I will set it up. So you guys take a break while I set it up. All right, this is the starting point, okay? Let me explain the race. I've changed up a few things.
Okay.
Okay, they start here. You guys will run. You will run out here. So run around through this gate, okay? Out here. This is where you will do jumps. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's definitely 5 that you guys could both do. So from there, you're gonna have to run all the way up here. You're gonna get to the shooting range. There's 2 Nerf guns. First come, first serve on the guns. You'll each take a gun. You can take whatever you want, and you'll try and hit this. Okay, yeah, you can try it as much as you want. There you go. Someone got it already. So after that, so there's 2 baskets. One of them is a soccer ball. On one hand, the soccer ball is smaller, so it could be easier to shoot. Again, first come, first serve on whichever one. Okay, see, that's easy. You guys can do that. Come over here. This is the midget walk course. Let's start here. Yo, midget walk your way over here, across here, all the way until touching this fence. You can touch anywhere along the fence as long as you touch it. First person to touch the black fence then from the midget walk is the winner. Okay. So it's pretty short. All right, Norah, Breane, you ready? On the word go. On your mark, get set, go.
That's mean. She's going too fast.
Nathan in the lead, Breane close behind.
Breane. Oh, they're over. Oh, they're over. Oh, she's over.
Nathan's on his fourth. Breane's on her fourth. Nathan's going for the fifth. Nathan makes the fifth.
They're going.
And now at the shooting range. Nathan gets the pink gun. Breane gets the red. No, Nathan, that doesn't count. That was a ricochet. That was a ricochet off the ground. Breane
Go, Breane. Go, Breane. Yes, Breine. He's coming. He's coming. No, he's not. Yes, go. Where are you going?
Breane wins.
1 minute and 42 seconds. The $10.
Are you good, Nathan?
This is discrimination.
I wouldn't have been if I kept going. That's why I gave up.
The test was going to have an asthma attack.
Losers bracket.
3, 2, 1, go. Midget walk. No, you do it on your knees.
Uh-oh, Ryan's gonna win. Ryan won. Norah, wait, come on. No. Norah, you got it. Oh, Norah wins Total Drama Horse Farm Season 76. Let's go. Are you ready? Wait, let me make sure my thing is ready. 3. Go for it, go ahead. By all means, my friend, by all means. You good? Are you good? Let's go. I don't care if my friend is hurt. I gotta win. Let's go. Speed run. Where's my thing? Oh, it's all the way down. Oh, it's not loaded. There we go. There we go. Let's go. She's fine. My friend is fine. She can get hurt. Friends don't matter. Whew. Time to die.
There's a stranger in my bed. There's a pounding in my head. They're all over the room.
This is not the way. This is the Wawa. No, stop.
Addison. Yeah.
Straight here. Yes, do go straight here. Third. I see it. Oh no, go. You keep going. It's up here.
It's a red light.
There's no light. What are you talking about? I don't even know what it's doing.
Wait, is this a road?
No, it's not a road.
I told you to go into the.
No, here, you go out here. No, do not go straight over. You're going to crash. Stop, Nathan. malfunction. No, she can't. Sophia, no, you can't. You need me to stop and explain why you can't do this. Nathan, stop. Nathan, she actually will. Nathan, she's mentally unstable. She doesn't get it. She doesn't understand it's a joke. She does not understand it's a joke. Sophia, stop. You're gonna crash your car. You're going to crash your car. Alright. You're going to crash your car. You're going to crash the car. Oh my god, I told you you were going to crash it. You fucking idiot. Get me out of there! Jesus Christ!
Car's okay.
She hit like her gas tank or something.
You hit something?
Yeah, she did. No, she hit something.
Your mom trusts he kept saying.
I know.
I think she broke about 7 laws on that one.
She really did.
We just got home, and I think it's time. I think it's time to do the honors. Alright, guys.
Guys, be quiet.
It's time for the ceremony. Alright, Breane. It's time. Come on. You'll win Total Drama Horse Farm Season 2. Sign your name right there on the signature. And we will receive
We're so proud of you.
$10,000.
That's not funny, Breeze. That's not funny.
Alright, let's go. Hold it. There you go. Yeah.
She actually won money. Do I get to keep this?
Yeah.
Oh.
So long for now, old friend.